Hi, my name is Ekanem Orok and welcome to the Fundamentals of Fashion Drawing. This course is divided into 21 sections. In section 1, you will learn the basics of fashion drawing, fashion sketching, illustration, and technical drawing. In section 2, you will learn the basic tools and materials for fashion drawing. In section 3, you'll learn a quick fashion illustration technique. In section 4, you'll learn the basics of color in fashion illustration. In section 5, you'll learn how to use light in fashion illustration. In section 6, you'll learn the different types of strokes and how to use them in fashion drawing. In section 7, you'll learn the fundamentals of shading objects and how to use these shading techniques to color a fashion model. In section 8, you'll learn the body parts for fashion drawing. In section 9, you'll learn how to draw the face. In section 10, you'll learn how to draw simple hands. In section 11, you'll learn how to draw body proportions. In section 12, you'll learn how to draw fashion poses with and without a guideline. In section 13, you'll learn how to draw fashion details. In section 14, you'll learn how to draw and color different types of fabrics. In section 15, you'll learn how to draw fabric textures. In section 16, you'll learn about fashion and style. In section 17, you'll learn the basics of drawing fashion accessories, including bags, shoes, and jewelries. In section 18, you will complete a fashion project on wedding gown, jacket and pant, cutter dress, jumpsuit, jean, shirt, and waistcoat. In section 19, you learn the fundamentals of technical drawing. In section 20, you'll learn the fundamentals of technical drawing for drip dress, wedding gown, jacket and pants, cutter dress, jumpsuit, jean, shirt, and waistcoat. In section 21, you will create and present a fashion portfolio digitally using the Canva app. Whether you're a complete beginner or you simply want to upgrade your fashion design knowledge, the aim of this course is to guide you on the professional techniques in fashion design. So, see you in class!